Fed ahead. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. Well, options paper in the Russell 2000 is already building in front of the FOMC meeting coming up next week. Traders are putting on plays for the short term and the long term. As we're going to tape, the Russell is trading around 1531, feeling some pressure. The low this week, 1513, and the high, 1536. The ratio right now on tape, unusual. One call trading for every one put. So let's check in and find out why those calls or what calls are trading right now. The August calls are active, and it looks like somebody's doing a call spread. This trade went on right out of the gate this morning. The calls, the strikes are 1600 and 1680. Those were buyers with that spread. And on the put side, the June 1400 weeklies expiring the week of the 28th. The Russell Reconstitution process is underway. Tonight, the U.S. index add and delete lists will be posted to the FTSE Russell website after 6 p.m. Eastern Time. The Russell Reconstitution is final after U.S. trading on June 28th, and the newly reconstituted Russell indexes will begin trading July 1st. Coming up next, we'll talk to a trader dad as we dedicate this show to fathers around the world. Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot joins us now for some trader talk. And Joel, taking a look at the Russell and the range that we've had lately, what would you see as some strategies here that traders might be using?
Well, I'm looking at this from a levels perspective. I really have to say, short term, very bullish to Russell right now, although I know we're seeing a little bit of a pullback today. So I'm looking for just kind of looking at a simple call spread, buying at the money, selling a little bit out, far out, looking at about right now about 1550s. If we can get up to about 1550s, I think that's a target for us.
And what about the Fed coming up next week?
Definitely. I think that definitely plays a part in the market. As we kind of can see, this VIX has been very in a tight range. I think that has an adverse correlation effect with the Russell as well. We've been seeing this VIX kind of really correlated very tightly. So I think everybody's waiting on the Fed, along with some of the political events going on in the market.
A lot happening. Thanks so much, and thanks to you for watching. Have a good weekend, everybody.